I've just sat up a while ago and just pushed the bedding onto the bottom section of the bed, which stays put.
Yeah.
And I've raised the bed up and got myself into a comfortable starting position. And from here, I literally press just this red button and let the bed do its thing. It does it all for you. It does it in a very intuitive, step-by-step way, and you feel completely safe at all times. And also, I feel very comfortable. You get used, you know what to expect after a few times. Yes. And so it doesn't take any by surprise, and it's all very soft and gentle, as we shall see. So here we go with the button.
So the backrest comes up first?
Yeah, it took my legs up then first,
yes.
But they were already up, so they didn't go up much at all.
Oh, okay.
And now it's just swinging me around like that, and it's very controlled.
Yes. So we're also here, just introduce James. Hello, James.
Hello.
So you're Mike's carer.
Yes, that's right.
And you were saying that this makes a big difference to you as well.
Yeah, massive difference, because before, when Mike had his old bed, nothing that you've just seen Mike do on the video he would have been able to do on his own. And he required at least 2 carers at that time to be able to perform any of the actions that you've just seen him doing.
Yes.
Obviously, now he's done this, it gives him a greater degree of independence, and obviously it's saving him money as well, because now ideally he'll have one carer with him, either myself or another carer working with him, and in worst case situations he can do it on his own if he really needs to. So.
Yeah, which is brilliant. So there's a cost saving there care wise, and you've got your independence as well.
Yeah, and I can stop at any point. I've just stopped now by taking your finger off the button, and if you and it'll take me to 90 degrees.
Yeah.
To where I was, and it's lowering the bed.
So you were saying that you can then side transfer when you get in a seated position.
Yeah, well, at this point, you can either carry on with it automatically,
yeah.
or you can stop it and take over the control of each individual movement, which is what I do, because I have to level it up exactly with my wheelchair,
yeah.
Or the commode, or my sticks, whatever I'm going to transfer to. So at this point, I'm really nice and comfortable. So what I would do is straighten my legs out like this.
Yeah. And so at this stage, James, you're not helping.
It's not doing anything.
I mean, it's a system if he needs it, and obviously if anything was to go wrong. But like before with the old bed, we would have needed tools such as like the banana board to be able to help transfer him, or Mike would have had to have stood up fully, you know, having only just woken up sort of 5 minutes before, we'd have had to have stood up fully using his crutches in order to get into either his shower chair or his wheelchair. And as you can see here, or as Mike's sort of demonstrating,
yeah.
Sort of what he would do in order to be able to make a transfer now, which is much more comfortable for him.
Yeah,
yeah, and protects your back.
Yes, yeah, which is always a concern for
carers. I'm just going to sit up now. There we go.
And also, you were both saying that the process is quicker then than it was.
Oh yes, yeah, much quicker. And so now I'm in a comfortable seated position. And what I would do now, if I was going to transfer to my sticks, which are just there,
yeah.
I would raise the bed higher.
So this is the vertical lift.
Yeah, you've still got full control of every movement, even though I'm facing this way.
Yeah.
So I can go nice and high like that. And then James is usually standing there with the sticks for me, and what I do is I drop my legs down like this, and then this section starts to bend on its own.
Yes.
And
so now, if that was as we were saying,
if that was a normal profile bed,
yeah, if it was a tipping mechanism, that wouldn't work, would it?
No, that would be all one piece, and you'd be sliding off it now. Whereas I'm perfectly, comfortable here.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I can actually leave it just like that, in fact, and use these bars just to help myself come forward.
Yeah.
And then it's literally a slide off this little slope here that I've created. I put my arms into my sticks.
Yeah.
Bring them round the sides like that. James just puts his foot in front of my, because I've got socks on just in case they slip.
Yeah.
But I have to lock my legs out before I can weight bear. But that was just a little movement like that.
Yeah.
and then I'm independent now. I could have done a sideways transfer by raising this bar and keeping this flat. So there's various ways of transferring, either into the wheelchair, the commode, or just onto sticks. And you know, it's just as easy to come back.
Go back again.
To go back again. Can you pass me the controller, James? So all I do is lower the bed, obviously.
Okay.
So it's lowest position.
Going down.
Yeah.
So if you want to in the morning, you can do this on your own if the chair's there.
Yep.
Or if James is here, you tend to be on your sticks then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. And really, James is here to hold things for me.
Yep. Yeah. No, absolutely.
Well.
So when, like we say, it's quicker than James.
Yep.
Roughly saying, how much quicker would you say? Like twice as quick with the Rotoflex?
Yeah, I would say
at least, if not more.
Is, like I said before, when there was 2 carers, and Mike's having to sort of pay for 2 carers to be here for an hour, and that would often overshoot as well. Now he's just got the 1 carer. It's the same sort of time allocated, but because this is much faster, it enables Mike to take more of time, you know what I mean, for that hour. But yeah, I'd say it speeds it up at least sort of twice as fast.
Wow, that's brilliant. Okay, that's great. Thank you very much.
No problem.